Hey everybody, it's Laura. Guess what? I'm continuing this series. I'm still pre-filming videos, but I've already gotten some feedback that you guys wanted to see some more MAMBI sticker books and some more affordable shops and maybe some grab bags and things like that. So it'll take me a little while to get like any grab bags ordered, but I do have MAMBI sticker books, so I thought I would use these to do a spread for you guys today. Next week's video I actually filmed before this week, so it's gonna sound like next week is the first one of this series of the revamp. But this one is first, and I'll go through more of my MAMBI sticker books in next week's video, but in this one, I have the Color Story book, and this is, they're meant for the Happy Planner, but the Happy Planner, Erin Condren, and Recollections have the same width boxes. They are just different heights. So the Recollections and the Erin Condren are both the same height and the same width. The Happy Planner has taller boxes. So either you need to trim stickers or don't worry about header spaces, or just adapt, go into the bottom washi area, whatever the case might be. But this is probably my favorite book for using as a kit. It's called the Color Storybook. If you can see here, it's labeled. And then this is the number if you're trying to find it in the store or online. And it has like sets of kits, I guess. So you can have like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4 pages that go together, and then it's kind of like a new set that goes together. So I have already pulled out, and these fall apart really fast, just so you know. And some are foiled, some are not. I have already pulled out a kit that I think I want to use for this week just because of what this week encompasses. I think it'll be great, and I'm going to try to stick to as many of just these stickers as possible. I might have to pull in a few things, but you can get pretty creative with your spreads. So we have 6 full boxes on this page, and then a bunch of circles, flags, and these little hearts. And I think I bent this page. Little lopsided there. Some more full boxes, this like weekend double banner, another like double box. Also, double boxes on these spreads will not cover an Erin Condren or or a Recollections planner, because there is space between the days. In the Happy Planner there is not, I believe. I've never had a Happy Planner like a vertical size one. I have a mini horizontal one. But you will have like edges sticking out, so either wipe them out or plan for that ahead of time, just so you know. We have little asterisks and stars and hearts and things, a couple more circles, and then 4 to do like scripty little cutout things. We have plans to do and today. Stars, jot it down, a flower, but it's on a circle, a big banner, life is so good, which is kind of like a little quote box, but it's not the width of a regular box. We have hearts, weekend adventures, weekend plans, weekend adventures. This one is actually deco, and then these like little header type things. And then we have 6 more full boxes. You get a ton, like a ton. And then today, to do, to buy, today, to do, and to do. And these are going to be much longer than a regular box. And then you have stars and hearts at the top. So those 4 pages kind of go together, and I think they're really cute. So we're gonna use these, and like I said, we're gonna use as much of this as possible, and then I might have to bring in just a few things, but we're gonna try not to. Okay, so what I'm planning for is July 9th through July 15th, and I will be in Wisconsin at my parents' house that live up north in the middle of nowhere. But then these 3 days we're gonna be driving to the Milwaukee area to visit family and friends, and then Thursday I'll be back at my parents' house. Friday, Saturday, my roommate from college will be visiting me. She lives about an hour and a half away from my parents. And then Sunday we'll be leaving to drive about 2 to 3 hours north to go to Lake Superior. So it's a very crazy week. So I think I'm going to just fast forward a lot of this and get some full boxes and stuff down, and then maybe figure out how I'm going to do checklists or things like that, but I'm not going to necessarily need a checklist on every day. So we're just gonna, we're gonna try. But like I said, I'm probably gonna fast forward some of this first so that we can kind of get through part of it. And I don't know how I'm gonna tackle this. I think I might do full boxes like up and down, and one of these full boxes will cover the header, the box, the header, plus a little into the next box. So it's going to change the sizes. Some of them you could cut down, but some of them, like, you wouldn't want to cut your quote. You know what I mean? Like, that would be weird. So you just kind of gotta play with it. Alright, you guys, so this is my spread with no bottom washi. I may or may not put any down. I'm not sure. Let me look at it a little bit longer because I'm going to have to upload footage. But I might make a spot for like dinners and videos down here. I'm not sure. Oh no, I don't need videos. I'm going to do videos in this plan section. This will be all of my habit trackers for the week. I put Monday through Sunday down this side, what the category is across the top, and then I can like shade in or like check the little like grid space. Monday, we're going to have stuff to do before we leave, and then I'm going to be driving in a car all day and then dinner with my aunt. On Tuesday, Oh, I have a bill due this day also. I need to mark that. Okay. Shoot, yeah. Okay, Tuesday. I'm meeting my grandma for brunch, and then I'll be spending the day with my friend, but I've got room to write other stuff in here. And then on Wednesday, I might be seeing my grandma, my aunt and my uncle for breakfast, and then we're going to be driving, and then I might be seeing my great aunt on the way home. And then this will be like packing and unpacking and stuff like that, because I'll be back at my parents' house this day. On Thursday, I'm going to be at my parents' house all day, and it will be like finally chill out. So PJs all day, yes, but I'll have like laundry, repacking, all that kind of stuff to do. This day, probably get groceries with my mom and that kind of thing. And then I just have deco and space to write in here. This was nice that this box was white, because I actually layered this over the full box, but there's nothing on the full box, so it just looks flush. Here I can write in whatever. And then weekend plans, I did kind of 2 weekend banners because my friend will be here this day, so I can write my friend is coming here. And then this will be like what I do with her, and then what I need to do after she leaves. This will be what we do together. And then I have a Hungry Root bill that will come out that day. And then I have room down here also. Sunday we'll be making it happen. Whatever I need to do before we leave again in the morning. And then driving up to Duluth, Minnesota, and then we're going on a mansion tour. But like I said, I have a bill due this day also, so maybe I'll squeeze that in here. Since I have another heart right there. And that will be my car insurance. I don't think I have anything else. Oh, I have Glam Planner. How did I miss all these? So maybe the peach color heart. Okay. So my Glam Planner bill down there. Okie dokie. Yeah, let me upload this footage, decide what I'm going to do at the bottom, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I did decide to put washi down. I used a Planner Society washi that I've never used before. Obviously, it wouldn't have to be that brand. It's just sort of a botanical, and it has a little bit more green because there's really not a lot of green over on this side, so I wanted to bring in a little bit more, make it a little more cohesive. And then I put a heart on every day so I can write my dinner in there, and I put them on the top line in case I have something I need to write on the second line. Oh, I could do hydrate on the second line. That'd be clever. Okay, so we'll do dinner and hydrate down here at the bottom. And yeah, I think it turned out really cute. I like how it came together. I like the layering of different things. I wish there was still more functional stuff in the MAMBI sticker books. I feel like you have to combine things, but I'm really proud of myself because I didn't use any other stickers in this spread. I only used those 4 pages of the MAMBI sticker book and then this washi. So I'm pretty impressed with myself, but definitely if I needed like a checklist every day, like I would struggle, but I think it's just because this week is a little bit more freeform. But I think it turned out cute. Let me know what you guys think. And then again, next week will sound like, you know, the first week of revamping this series and trying again, but it's not. I'm actually filming these the same day, so whatever, it works. Okay, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what else you want to see. If there's any MAMBI sticker book in particular you would like to see, let me know. But again, I think the color story is the best for like a kit if you are looking for that sort of planning style. All right, I will catch you guys in the next video. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, hit the notification bell, do all those things. Leave any comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!